Good morning, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are saw the videos about lesson number 3, Landforms and Regions of India. I think you all are understood that lesson. So today I will start to read the exercise of this lesson. First we read new words. First one is landforms. Regions, mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, islands, sparsely, peak, abundant, fertile, moderate, isolated, vegetation, oasis, surrounded, peninsulas, broader, flatter, and conditions. These all are new words. Once again, I will read these new words. Landforms, regions, mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, islands, sparsely, peak, abundant, fertile, moderate, isolated, vegetation, oasis, surrounded, peninsulas, broader, flatter, and conditions. So, children, once again, you all are read this and memorize the spellings. Now we should read fill in the blanks. 1/4 tablelands, Everest, taller. These are options of the fill in the blanks. First one is landforms occupy about dash part of the earth's surface. How many part landform is there on the earth? Yes, 1/4 part of the earth's surface is landform. Answer is 1/4. Answer is 1/4. Second one is mountains are dash than hills. Mountains are taller than hills. Mountains are taller than hills. Next one is plateaus are also called as tablelands. Plateaus are also called tablelands. Next one is Mount Dash is the tallest mountain in the world. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Next one is we should read about true or false. First one is plateaus are also called as table flats. Plateaus are also called as table flats. Answer is false. Why it is false, children? Plateaus are called tablelands, not a table flats. So the answer is false. Second one is islands and peninsulas are two names of same kinds of landforms. Answer is false. Why it is false? Because islands or peninsulas are not same names kinds of landforms. Islands are surrounded by all sides of water and peninsulas are surrounded by three sides of water. So these are difference. So the answer is false. Third one is plains are sparsely populated due to the extremely cold climate there. Answer is false. Why it is false? Because in plains the climate is not cold, that is moderate climate. So the answer is false. Fourth one is coastal plains are popular tourist attraction. Coastal plains are popular tourist attractions. Answer is true. Answer is true. Next one is the Thar Desert is the world's seventh largest desert. The Thar Desert is the world's seventh largest desert. The answer is true. So the children read properly the true or false, and if the answer is false, think what is the correct answer. Next we read about question and answers. Answer the following questions. First one question is name the different landforms on the earth. Name the different landforms on earth. Answer is the different landforms on the earth are mountains, hills, plains, deserts, peninsulas, plateaus, islands. These all are different types of landforms. Mountains, hills, plains, deserts, peninsulas, plateaus, and islands. These all are the different kinds of landforms on the earth. Next one question is what are the major difference between mountains and hills? What are the major difference between mountains and hills? First we read mountains. Mountains are huge landforms rising very high over the earth's surface. Mountains are huge landforms rising very high over the earth's surface. Hills are similar landforms but are not as tall as mountains. Hills are similar landforms but are not as tall as mountains. Next question is why is the camel called the sheep of desert? Why is the camel called the sheep of desert? Camel have capacity to go for a days without food and water and able to withstand the difficult weather conditions of the desert. So it is called sheep of desert. Camel have capacity to go for a days without food and water and able to stand the difficult weather conditions of desert. So it is called the sheep of desert. Next one is write 2-3 sentences on peninsulas and islands. First we read about peninsula. Peninsula. A peninsula is a landforms surrounded on its three sides by water and one side by land. The climate in these landforms is cool. Peninsula is a landform surrounded on its three sides by water and one side by land. The climate is in these landforms is cool. Next is island. Islands are small landforms that are surrounded by water on all sides. Here the climate is cool throughout the year. Islands are small landforms that are surrounded by water on all sides. Here the climate is cool throughout the year. So this is the peninsula and island. Next is extra question answers. In this lesson, extra question answers. First one question is, which animal is called the sheep of desert? Which animal is called sheep of desert? Yes, the camel is called the sheep of desert. Camel is called the sheep of desert. Second one is, name the major islands in India. Name the major islands in India. Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep are the major islands in India. Next one is, name the largest plateau in the world. Name the largest plateau in the world. The Tibetan plateau is the largest plateau in the world. The Tibetan plateau is the largest plateau in the world. Next one is, which is the tallest mountain in the world? Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. So children, read once again these all new words, fill in the blanks, true or false, question answers and extra question answers. And children, fill up your textbook, true or false, and fill in the blanks. And read properly these spellings also. Thank you children.